I'll show you how to make Instagram account private. Make sure to watch this video to the very end so you won't make any mistakes. The first thing we need to do, we need to open our Instagram and then click on more in the right bottom corner to open our profile page. And from this page here, we just simply need to click on more in the right top. So we'll come to this page. And here we need to click on settings. After that, we have a couple of options, but we need to click on privacy, the third line here. And we'll come to the next page, where as you can see in the top of the screen, we can enable a private account feature. So if you'll make it private, we can see that only your followers will be able to see your photos and videos. And this wasn't changed who can message, tag, and mention you, but you won't be able to tag people who don't follow you. And here we can just simply click on switch to private. And as you can see, we can click on not now, and our account was automatically turned into a private one. So this is a way of how to make Instagram account private. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, and goodbye guys.